Today I'm unboxing a Sabertrio Arclyte. This is my very first Sabertrio lightsaber. I'm pretty excited about that. They're one of the newcomers to the saber community, but they've been getting a lot of positive reviews, so I thought I would check them out. You can see right away they have that nice logo on the box, and you can also see that I purchased the hilt only. This box is obviously too small to contain a blade, unless they've come up with foldable blades. Or, well, we know they already have telescoping blades, so that's not what I have, though. Sabertrio is based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I ordered this saber about 2 weeks ago, and it's already here, so that's pretty fast. That was just the invoice. Bubble wrap, that's good. Bubble wrap, not packing peanuts. Nice lining of bubble wrap, and got some blade retention screws and hex wrenches. It was packaged pretty nicely, I'd say. Pretty securely, ample amount of bubble wrap, and I don't have to clean up packing peanuts, so that makes me kind of happy. Should probably just cut through the bubble wrap. Oh, one more layer. Oh, it's caught on the Sabertrio wheel. That's why I'm having issues. So here it is. One of the first things I notice is this feels very light. It feels almost like it's an empty hilt, but you can see it does have the light. You have the grip portion here. Very nice feel to it. And everything is very smooth on it, and it's very good attention to detail. It seems like quite a decent quality, and you do have the AV switch and the Sabertrio wheel on the bottom so you can wear it. That comes standard. Here's the pommel. So that's where the batteries are, I guess. And there's the top. Now let's see. I do have a blade over here, so I'll just show that. This is not a Sabertrio blade. This is an Ultra Saber's blade. It's what I would expect. It seems like a decent brightness to it. And this is the royal blue. Excuse me. Wow, it's very, very nice quality, though. I'm quite impressed with the quality. I think it deserves the rave reviews that it's got in this company. Just the metal is very smooth and clean, very nice finish to everything, nice attention to detail, and seemingly good quality. So I'll take a closer look at this and do a more detailed review in a little bit, and I'll also be making some comparison videos between the Sabertrio Arclyte and some of the Ultra Sabers, kind of less expensive models, because in a way I think this is sort of comparable to like the Apprentice and Initiate models, and so it would be nice to compare those. But it is a pretty attractive price for the stunt saber. It was $62 plus $25 for shipping, so ran $87, and Sabertrio sells sabers both on Etsy, and they have their own website as well. I purchased this one off Etsy, And they have a few more accessories available on their actual website than they post on Etsy, so that's something to look at if you're considering buying from them. But very nice saber. I have very, very positive initial impressions on this saber, and I can't wait to kind of try it out and look at it a bit more closely. But pretty cool, you guys.